This is a regular guy. He could be your customer, couldn't he? But your problem is this. Look at all the other lovely, shiny things you're competing with on the internet. Whoa, did you see that? So how do you get Mr. Customer's attention? You could shout really loud, or write everything in huge letters. Or you could just come to
All Hands Global. All Hands Global
who is a super creative digital marketing company who specializes in growing your audience. We build gorgeous websites, magical social media pages, and blockbuster explainer videos. People are very impatient online and have very short attention spans. Do you know what the average attention span is? Just 8 seconds. It's like we're turning into goldfish. And to make it harder, 17% of people will leave your page in under 4 seconds. It's like we're turning into goldfish. Wait, did I just say that?
All Hands Global.
Make sure you grab a customer's attention and keep it. Helping you to explain quickly and engagingly who you are, what you do, and why the customer should care. We make fun and creative videos that will help increase your sales and increase your Google ranking. What's more, they're easy for people to share across social media. Speaking of social media, we'll give you a presence in all the places you'd expect. Of course, everything is optimized, so whatever device your customers are using, they'll get the same awesome experience. And don't worry, this isn't another thing to add to your workload.
All Hands Global
We'll do all the hard work for you. Don't let another customer slip through your fingers. Blow their minds with
All Hands Global